how is everyone doing? How are we all doing today? Because I am doing amazing. The reason why is we have officially hit 2 years exactly for mining Bitcoin. And the way that I know that, if I come on down to my miner, my first one ever purchased, come on down to the achievements, the non-stop mining, I click on the last one, it shows that I've been mining for 721 days. That is a day over 2 years. That's amazing. That is absolutely amazing. This entire journey has been absolutely just speechless. I'm speechless because after 2 years, we're sitting at 4 miners, 3,095 terahash. I started with just 16 terahash at 35 watts. Now we're at 15 watts, a beautiful discount of 6.86%. I mean, to be honest, this discount should be higher, but it seems like the mining mode for solo miners just keeps dropping down a percentage because people are putting their votes towards like greedy machines and other stuff like that. I don't know why, because a few weeks ago, if not a few months ago, this was at 1.5. I think it was at 1.6, and now it's just dropping. Guys, what are you doing with your votes? What are you doing? Why are you doing this to me? But either way, the total amount of Bitcoin that we've mined after 2 years is 0.04836,800. Now, I know some people might be thinking that's not that much Bitcoin for 3,000 terahash. Well, we just recently put ourselves up to 3,000 terahash. Because if I look all the way back to, what is it? April? I believe I switched to solo mining from Miner Wars back in April. If we do that all the way till now, for both of these, look at the rewards. Do you see that? Oh, clicked on the wrong one there. April to now, look at this jump. Back in April, we were only at 115 terahash. Now look where we're at. Look at this journey. Look how it goes up. There's so much data here that it's lagging to 516. And then boom, we made that jump up to 3,095 terahash. And even look at these rewards. Look at these rewards. The reason these rewards were a lot higher is because I had a lot more GMT stacked up from Miner Wars, so it was paying for a lot of my electricity and maintenance fees, you know. Then it dropped down because I used it all. And then we had a beautiful referral who purchased a big amount, so we got a big rebate of GMT. So I was able to pay for my maintenance fees and GMT again. And then since then, you know, it's been kind of up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down. And then we had that one day, actually, I don't think it was too long ago. Let's see, which day was it? Oh, I scrolled down. Here it was. We paid for the entire thing. Well, not the entire thing because we got the bonus miner, but we basically paid for the entire thing with GMT. And we got that full Bitcoin reward of 0.00153840 Bitcoin. You want to know how much that was worth that day? You want to know how much that was worth? That was $107 basically in one day passively. $107 passively. I don't know many other places that you can make $107 by doing literally nothing. Well, I guess not literally nothing because every day you got to come over here and click this button, but oh my god, that is such a hassle to come and click a service button just to ensure that you maintain a discount to make more Bitcoin. Oh no. Oh. I fucking love this app. I fucking love GoMining so much. They are unbelievably amazing. They are as transparent as can be as well because they literally have an academy to where you can learn things. Or if you want, you can go to their GoMining, click on here, and this is basically their official website. This isn't the app. You can sign in, log in, it'll bring you to the app. But from here, you can learn so much about them. You can learn so much about it. It's crazy. You can see that they have over 5 million registered users. The total amount of terahash that they have is 13 million plus. Holy shit! Those are literally data centers. And not to mention, the rewards earned by their users is 5,149 Bitcoin. Let's see how much that's worth at the moment. Bitcoin to USD. We all know I always do that. What was the number again? 5,149 at current rates. 5,149 Bitcoin. Bruh, look at that. That is $333 million worth of Bitcoin mined in the past 7 years. Because I believe they've been going for at least 7 years now. Yeah, right here. 7 years experience. Total Bitcoin mined, 5,149. We already know that. Total mining power, 13,037,593 terahash. You can even come down and look at their roadmap. You can see what they're going to be doing for this year. We're almost near the end of Q1 for 2026. For Q2 of 2026, they want to do a collaboration with mainstream mass market brand. I'm curious what that is. We already know that right here, they did a collaboration with a luxury watch brand, which turned out to be Jacob & Co. I believe there's still one of those miners on the marketplace. Oh no, it finally sold. The last one finally sold. All 10 that have been posted here have been sold. I believe in total, just over 20 out of the 100 watches, or the watch and the miners have been sold. I asked my GoMining VIP manager, and she told me that it was just over 20 or around there, which is absolutely insane. And you know what else they're doing? Remember how I said they're at about 13 million total terahash? Well, guess what? By Q2, they want to get up to 25 million terahash. They're literally doubling down. They're doubling down on it. That's amazing. And people ask me, do you think they're legit? Do you think they're real? No, I don't think they'd be increasing their hash rate project to 25 million terahash if they weren't. Let alone, I don't think Jacob & Co. would have done a collaboration with them if they weren't real. So after 2 years of using this, I started back in 2024 when they were only at 3.5 million terahash. They've just been going hard. They have been going hard. Oh, look at that introduction of the Miner Wars game. That's pretty cool. That is pretty cool. Oh, look at that. And at the end of Q4 of 2026, they want to launch their own mining pool. What does that mean exactly? Well, if you come over here and you click the settings button and you go down, you can see the pool that you're in. Selecting a pool allows you to customize the way Bitcoin mining works and the payouts frequency. It's basically all the same across the board, but the top mining pools in the world are Binance. Well, everyone knows Binance, and then USA Foundry, and then Via Bitcoin. They're going to have enough terahash to where they're going to start their own pool. That's how you know that they're legit. That is how you know they are fucking legit. I have nothing but positive things to say about them. Absolutely nothing but positive things to say. And I already know that if I go to the leaderboards here, I go to the farms, I guarantee this guy has nothing but positive things to say as well, because he has 921,000 terahash. Before maintenance fees, this guy's making about $25,500 a day. Actually, he might be making a lot less because he's at 25 watts of terahash, and we all know with the current price of Bitcoin, people aren't making that much money if you got a high wattage per terahash Bitcoin miner. This guy's set. This guy is fucking set though. 135,000 terahash, 15 watts of terahash. Before electrical and service fees, he's making $3,500 a day. This guy's making $1.37 million a year passively. Bruh. What else can I say? What else can I say? Can you name another app that allows you to mine Bitcoin that's actually legit, that won't go under or fucking take your money within a few months? Because we all know there's been tons out there. This has been going around for 7 years. This guy is making $1.37 million a year passively. Can you name another app that does that? That allows that? Can you? I can't. I personally cannot. I like this guy. Now that I see it, I like this guy a lot. Look at that whole number. No decimals. Perfectly at 130,000. Oh my god, 100,000 exactly. This is satisfying my fucking OCD. Actually, that doesn't. He's at 35 watts of terahash. This guy's not making any money. This guy is not making any money at all. I guarantee it. He should probably change that. There's a reason why if you come on over to here and you click create a miner, that you can only choose the 15 watts per terahash, because everyone knows that you can Goodbye. Everyone knows that 15 watts per terahash is the fucking way to go. And also, not to mention, there will be a referral link down in the description below. If you want to get started mining today, you can start with 1 terahash for $18.99, paying your maintenance fees in Bitcoin rather than GMT. We put it at the current rates daily. Yeah, you're making a fraction of a cent. We all know the price of Bitcoin has gone down. We all know that we just had a recent crash. We all saw this. A little bit of a retracement, all the way down. But you know what else we know? That the same thing happened here. When it got up to 65,000, it crashed all the way down to like 17,000. But then we saw the rise. We saw the run. We saw the bull run. And it went to $126,000. This is saying like 125,000, but it went up even higher. So yeah, of course the price of Bitcoin is going to drop. But guess what? It's going to fucking skyrocket after it as well. I'm thinking at least 200,000. At least 200,000 per Bitcoin. And you know what that means? You know exactly what that means? My Bitcoin here, if I get that and I bring that over here, we click paste and we times this by 200,000. That's almost $10,000 alone right there. Oh my god. And by the time, Bitcoin gets to that price, we'll have mined another ×2 of it. So we'll be making about $20,000. Oh my god. That's bruh. Holy shit. But like I was saying, a referral link will be down in the description below in case you actually do want to start mining Bitcoin today. Again, $18.99 at current rates, paying your maintenance fees in Bitcoin. Your daily profit, it's a fraction of a cent, up to a 6.3% ROI. But guess what? You're still mining Bitcoin. And that's a tiny investment. If you're a big boy baller, you get that 5,000 terahash model. If you use my referral link, you get an extra 5% terahash on your first miner purchase. We all know, everyone should know, 5% of 5,000 is 250. You're getting a 250 terahash miner absolutely for free. You know what that costs alone? You know what that costs? That's $4,354. Absolutely for free. But then again, if you're a big boy baller, you're paying that, just a small fee of $78,500. And you're mining Bitcoin. So when the price of Bitcoin shoots all the way back up and we see all-time highs of 150,000, you're making $200 a day, annual ROI of 93%. That's insane. Almost 100% a year. Almost 100% in a year. Fucking insane. I want Bitcoin to go lower, to be honest. I want it to go lower. I want to see it go back down to 34,000 because that's my average buy cost. My average buying cost is around here. It's just around here because I DCA'd $20 every single day for about a year straight back in the first bull run. I think it was like starting right here. I was buying into the high prices. It was well worth it. It was definitely well worth it. The same way that GoMining is well worth it, especially if you're willing to put your money where your mouth is like I am, because I don't know if many people know, this is a 40 $40,000 miner loan. 41,000 actually. I put my money where my mouth is. And I know in the end, I will see a great return of it. We just need Bitcoin to go lower, and then eventually, fuck, she'll skyrocket right to the moon. I know I've kind of rambled on about some other things, but this is my 2-year review of GoMining and how exceptional they've been, how amazing they've been. It's the perfect platform. It is the perfect platform. And once we hit 1 year of solo mining fully, we're going to go back into miner wars. And the reason why is because with miner wars, you can win blocks for your clan. And when you win those blocks, you get personal rewards of GMT. When I was in it for about a year, I got 2.2 thousand GMT, which is absolutely insane. Absolutely insane. If I go to the personal here and I scroll all the way down, look at that. For a 2x block, I got 704 GMT. For a 1x block, 304 GMT. Another 1x block, 300 GMT. Bro, this is free. That's free money on top of the Bitcoin that you're getting. In total, I got 0.02 Bitcoin in here. What is that? Just under half of the amount of Bitcoin I've actually mined? Yeah, exactly. Freaking insane. And I can't imagine what miner wars is going to be like with 3,095 terahash. Well, technically 3,079 because in 10 days, the 16 terahash miner is going to be gone. But that's okay because we're still going to have over 3,000 terahash mining Bitcoin, making that Bitcoin every single day, just like you guys should be. So again, referral link will be down in the description below, and we'll see you guys soon. Take care.
Go to the computer looking for a